I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should begin by signing into Claude and selecting the model and tone you need. Once done, define the output format. You need 3 examples of the exact writing style and a short list of constraints like word count, audience level, and sections. Now open a fresh chat, set the assistant role to writer or editor, and paste your examples. Make sure to include explicit instructions for voice, structure, and any mandatory phrases so Claude can match your target immediately. Once you have the initial output, proceed stepwise. Ask Claude for an outline, then expand each section into paragraphs with citations or examples. You should request multiple variants, 3 headlines, 2 tones, and an /b intro, so you can compare options. Make targeted edits by instructing Claude to revise specific sentences or show differences between versions. Use pinning or naming to lock a preferred style, and make sure to call out anything to keep or remove, so the assistant finalize by asking Claude for a clarity and fact-check pass, include SEO keywords, and confirm call-to-action placement, then request export in your chosen format. Once done, ask for a short revision checklist and quick suggestions for a /b testing. If the output is not right, do not restart from scratch. Supply 1 concrete example of the desired change and a clear edit list, then ask Claude to reapply. That troubleshooting step fixes tone drift and alignment without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.